Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Windows Defender from deleting files. To begin, we see that when trying to execute a file, it gives an error, deleting it. After that, from the search box, enter Security. Click on Windows Security. Here, let's click on Virus and Threat Protection. After that, click on Manage Settings. Now turn off the real-time protection switch. Click Yes to confirm the action. After, go to Firewall and Network Protection. Here, click on Public Network. After this, disable the Microsoft Defender firewall switch. Click Yes to confirm the process. With this, you can run your file without error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.